Hey guys, it's Mary Beth with My Fearless Kitchen. Check out my scratchy voice today. We are all fighting sore throats and scratchy throats this week. Yesterday, there were two really terrible accidents within just about 5 miles of my house. Guys, it's harvest time. There's farm equipment on the road. There's slow-moving vehicles on the road. And even if it's not harvest time, we need to be a little more careful. We need to take our time, go a little slower, drive a little more carefully, put the darn phones down. Luckily, these two accidents yesterday, nobody was seriously hurt, but it could have been really, really bad. So let's just take a second and think about how fast you really need to get where you're going. Maybe slow it down just a hair. I'm just as bad. I'm a lead foot like nobody's business. But on a happier note, it is harvest time. Harvest means pumpkins. I'm so excited. This is my favorite time of year. So in today's newsletter, I've got my absolute all-time holiday favorite, homemade pumpkin pie. I eat it for dessert, I eat it for breakfast, I eat it for lunch, I eat it all the time. It's the best. I've also got a cheesy pumpkin sausage penne. I know it sounds a little bit strange, but it is absolutely delicious and I know you're gonna love it. And then finally, we've got some tips on what's the difference between a pie pumpkin and a carving pumpkin. They look the same, but they're not quite the same. And if you're gonna cook your own pumpkin to make your homemade pumpkin pie, you wanna make sure that you're grabbing the pie pumpkin instead of a carving pumpkin. Thanks for joining us. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.